Lexi the sew.
What are we doing today, Lexi?
Today I'm doing eggs.
We're decorating eggs. We got a nice big bowl of hard-boiled eggs here. Take your egg, don't drop it, and you can take your crayons.
Yeah,
Ready?
I got pink.
And you can color a picture on your egg. Now you don't have to color the whole thing, Lexi, okay?
Why?
Because we're gonna dye them too, okay? We're gonna color a couple, okay? So if you're done coloring it, it goes in the egg tray.
I'm done coloring.
Okay, put it in the egg tray, take another egg. Look, Mommy's putting flowers on hers.
Yeah. Can you help me do flower on mine?
Yeah. What color do you want your flower to be?
Pink.
Pink? Okay.
Yeah.
Zoe needs another egg. Here, Zoe, you can pick. This is red. Do you want red or do you want like this purpley pink red?
Purple.
Hold it. We're gonna do one circle, one petal, so you can like little loops back to the middle. 4 petals, 5 petals here to the middle, and you do the circle in the middle. Voila!
It's flower.
It's a flower. We're decorating Easter eggs today. I just hard-boiled a whole bunch of eggs, however many you really want to do. And we're going to be using some kits. So these you can buy really inexpensively. Usually you can find them at the dollar store. These ones I found at Michael's. So their price is a little higher, but I bought them last year after season. So last year I got 7 boxes, I think for $1 a couple weeks after Easter. So we're going to be doing, we have sparkle glitter eggs and high gloss finish eggs. But the cool thing is it's basically just the same procedure, and then the gloss and the sparkle is an add-on, so we do at the end. Egg, please. Can you grab an egg for her, Alexi? Zoe would like to keep coloring eggs. How about we each color one more egg?
Yeah.
So we're just using some simple wax crayons. That's how I used to do when I was a kid, the old-fashioned way. And then once you dip the eggs in the dye won't stick to the crayon, just to the shell. So you'll get the picture come through the dye.
I like to color a beautiful pink heart.
You color a pink heart on yours. There you go. You
I love you.
Are you ready to make our dye?
Yeah.
Each cup I put a tablespoon of vinegar. The vinegar helps the dye adhere to the eggshells. Each box came with some different tablets here. So we're going to take the tablets here, we're going to put them in the vinegar, and it's going to tell us what color it is. Then we have to put in half a cup of water.
Yeah.
Just regular room temperature water. All these directions are on the box, so not rocket science. That's a lot of fun, right, Lexi?
Yeah.
Oops. That's delicious splash cake. Lexi, you can pick one more of your eggs. No. Here, Zozo. And look. Wait for your turn. You like? I know you like. Wow. A little bit of a mess. And now that we all have all these in here, we have to wait. We have to wait 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we can take them out.
Yep.
And put new eggs in.
Yeah.
And dye those eggs.
Yeah.
What does the timer mean?
It means we can take it out.
It means we can take them out. I'm going to try to hook that egg. Pull it out.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
I got it.
Try again. Put it right in here to dry. There you go.
There, I found it.
Yeah, and we'll put this one in here to start again. Looks kind of pink. I think it looks pretty pink.
It's really pink.
Way pink. Super duper pink.
Which color egg do you want to make glittery?
My pink egg.
Okay, the pink egg? Okay, so I've never done this, so according to the instructions, we're going to try this. You take a little bit of this glue and put it in the bag. 3 drops it says. Okay, take your egg.
Yeah.
Drag in here. And then you're supposed to like rub it around. I don't know. I've never done this part before. We'll find out how well this works. And it says to add a little bit of glitter to the bag. And then you're supposed to take it and rub it around. You rub that around there for a bit. Wait, you want to make that one glossy?
Glassy.
Rub your egg like so you guys get all that glitter all over the place.
I loved it.
You rubbed it. Okay, take it out. Put it back in here to dry. Look how pretty and sparkly this is.
I love my fabric.
You like your flower on there? This other set it's called gloss. So it has a cloth and you just pour the little goopy stuff out here. Then you gotta take this little cloth. Supposed to like just dab it on. And then you just have to let it dry. Zoe, do you like this? You like this? I like this. See you guys later. Bye.
Hope your Easter bunny comes.
Hope your Easter bunny comes.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Yeah.
Bye!